Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of $BOMBIE, or the BOMBIE token, a cryptocurrency linked to the popular Citizen game and operating on the Kaya chain. It's also available on MEXC Global and has a presence on the TGE blockchain. We'll also touch on the TGE, or token generation event, that launched this crypto into the market. Oh, what exactly is $BOMBIE? It's a token designed with a specific purpose within its ecosystem, deeply connected to the Citizen game. It plays a role within the Kaya chain infrastructure, and holding $BOMBIE can come with benefits like staking rewards and advantages within the Citizen game itself. ETs explore the Citizen game integration. $BOMBIE is used within the game for various purposes, such as buying items and upgrades. There's even potential to earn $BOMBIE by playing the game. Its integration aims to enhance the overall gameplay experience. Onto the Kaya chain. This blockchain provides the foundation for $BOMBIE, allowing it to function within its ecosystem. The Kaya chain offers benefits like scalability and security. Keep an eye out for future developments planned for $BOMBIE on Kaya. ETs talk about the TGE blockchain. It's another chain that $BOMBIE interacts with, offering advantages such as speed and low transaction fees. Potential use cases and integrations on TGE are being explored to expand $BOMBIE's utility. MEXC is the MEXC Global listing. Being listed on MEXC Global offers increased liquidity and exposure for $BOMBIE. To get started, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global and deposit funds into your account. Then you can find the $BOMBIE trading pair. How do you actually buy $BOMBIE on MEXC Global? It involves a step-by-step process of navigating the platform and making a purchase. You'll have various trading options, like spot trading and futures. You can also choose between setting limit orders and market orders, each with their own strategies. Remember to consider the fees associated with trading on MEXC Global. ETs demystify the token generation event, or TGE. A TGE is essentially the initial launch of a cryptocurrency. The $BOMBIE TGE had specific details, including the date, price, and allocation. While past TGEs are done, you can always look for new projects that have them. Remember, participation in TGEs comes with both potential rewards and inherent risks. Speaking of risks and rewards, it's important to acknowledge the volatility of cryptocurrency investments. While there's potential for significant gains, it's crucial to do your own research, or DYOR, before investing. Be aware of the risks associated with new crypto projects, and always invest responsibly. In conclusion, $BOMBIE presents a potentially exciting cryptocurrency with use cases within the Citizen game and integrations with both the Kaya and TGE blockchains. We encourage you to conduct further research and consider cautious investment strategies. Visit MEXC Global to learn more about $BOMBIE and explore the possibility of purchasing it. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.